In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Steam desktop wallpapers after subscribing. If you've subscribed to a wallpaper on the Steam Workshop and you're wondering where it goes or how to make sure it actually downloads, the good news is that the process is usually very simple. In most cases, once you subscribe to a wallpaper, the download happens automatically through the Wallpaper Engine app. To begin, open Wallpaper Engine from your Steam library. This is the app that handles the wallpapers you subscribe to through the workshop, so it needs to be running properly in order to sync with Steam and pull in your content. If you haven't already launched it, go ahead and open it first before subscribing to anything. Next, head to the workshop and click subscribe on the wallpaper you want. As soon as you do that, Wallpaper Engine should communicate with Steam in the background and start downloading the wallpaper automatically. After a moment, the wallpaper should appear in your software library inside Wallpaper Engine, ready for you to use. If that automatic download doesn't happen right away, don't worry. Sometimes the sync can stall or fail temporarily. In that case, close all open app windows first. This helps clear out anything that may be interrupting the download process. Then go back to the Steam launcher and manually force the download from there by reopening the app and allowing Steam to resync your subscribed workshop content. Once Steam and Wallpaper Engine reconnect, the wallpaper should download into your library as expected. If you're not seeing it immediately, give it a few moments to finish syncing before checking again. That's all there is to it. As long as Wallpaper Engine is launched from your Steam library and your workshop subscription goes through correctly, your wallpaper should download automatically in most situations.